Have you ever struggled to make coupons for your business? I mean, we've got enough on our plates, right? Well, no more. Let's design professional, eye-catching coupons that'll have your customers back for more. And the best part, we're gonna do it all on Canva. So, grab your laptop, say goodbye to the scissors, and let's get into it.
Can people stop throwing scissors on my set?
Sorry about that one. Hi, I'm Lou, an art director here at Canva. Now, I've always suspected that coupons encourage sales, but some recent studies have provided the evidence. Kelton Globes found that 67% of their customers made impulse purchases solely based on finding a coupon. Amara Intelligence found that 80% of shoppers are more likely to try a new brand if they have a coupon. This highlights the potential for coupons to drive sales, attract new customers, and expand your business base. But you get all of that, don't you? You get that they encourage repeat purchases, create a sense of urgency, and enhance current marketing efforts. That's why you're here. Well, thankfully with Canva's help, they are surprisingly easy to make. Let me show you how. From the homepage, type in coupons. This will serve up a whole range of pre-made templates, ready to customize and make your own. Some have 3 per page, meaning you can use a standard sheet of paper, also encouraging repeat visits. How cute is this one? This is for a pet store, but it will be really easy to modify for any business, where cute is key. Select the image, hit the info button, and choose see more like this. Oh, wow, I love them. If you see ones you like, you can star them or add them to a folder. Choose create new, give it a name, and now you have a place to store all your element finds. I need to come up with a business where this would work. I've got it. How about a boba or a bubble tea shop? I wonder what comes up if I search for boba tea in the Elements tab. I love these ones. You know, instead of adding them to a folder, I'll create a blank page at the back and I'll just throw them on there. That way, they are nice and close when I need them. To change the text, I just double click on it. I'll select a new font like this. I can change colors like this. Use the Change All button to speed things up. I'm going to make this expiry date a little bigger. This will create a sense of urgency for the customer, motivating them to use it sooner. I could put a code on here, a barcode that gets scanned when they redeem the coupon. Maybe a QR to send people to the menu so they can choose ahead of time. Social media handles to create a community. I only want them using each voucher once, so I'll add that term in. To make sure everything's clear and no one games the system, include direct and easily understood terms and conditions. Specify any rules or limitations associated with the offer, such as minimum purchase requirements, where they must redeem it, restrictions on certain products or services, or, like I've done, limitations on the number of times the coupon can be used. Likewise, you need to clearly state the offer, discount, or promotion that the coupon provides. A percentage discount, a dollar amount, a buy one get one free deal. Just make sure that it can't be misinterpreted by mistake or on purpose. Okay, this is looking good. I'll just add a call to action to further encourage customers to redeem the coupon. Finally, I'll add some little scissors and a dashed line so they can see what they need to do. Now, you could print this directly from Canva. This button will send me directly to the letterhead printing menu. This will give you a really beautiful print, but it's probably too good for what I need. I'd suggest going into this menu and choosing the flyer option. This is going to be a bit more affordable, and you can also choose a smaller size. Click on the quantity drop down and you'll see how much it is per flyer. Important information when you're weighing up how much this marketing strategy will cost you. Some regions will also have access to the notepad. This is what I would go with. Really helpful if you're handing these flyers out physically. And really affordable if you're getting 100 sheets and a number of notepads. Of course, maybe you don't need this many and just want to print some off at home. In that case, just go to download, select PDF print so you get a really crisp looking outcome. Then, you can just send this file to your printer and print as many as you need. Maybe you don't want to distribute printed copies. It's really easy to keep them digital too, perfect for email marketing and social media promotions. Oh, and before I show you that, if you're enjoying this, you should check out our playlist. It's full of tutorials, design tips, and tricks, and we're uploading new videos every week. Hit that subscribe button and you'll be alerted every time a new video drops. It's the easiest way to become a Canva expert, taught by the people working here at Canva. Online distribution options are wide and varied, just like the audience you could reach. Everything from email marketing, social media website pop-ups, or even third-party marketplace or affiliates to promote your coupons. Let me show you one easy way you get the coupon out without even leaving Canva. Heading into the share menu again, this time we'll choose view only link. Like the name implies, this will give you a link you can send out to your audience via messaging, social media posts, however you communicate with them. When they click the link, they will see a page like this. They can print this out or just show it on their phone at the time of purchase. What I really love about this is you can see the engagement. Go here and you'll be able to view the stats of who is looking at it. Isn't that cool? The perfect way to see how your promotion is landing. And there are, of course, a lot of traditional ways you could get your digital coupons out there. Maybe this video could help. Give it a look. Oh, and as always, drop any questions or comments below. You know the drill. You're still here, are you? Hoping for a discount coupon code? Unfortunately, I don't have one to give you, but I do have some of these clickable links to check out our playlists, or watch that video about banners. Or why not subscribe so you don't miss out on everything we have coming up. Until next time, happy couponing.